Welcome to a B.F. Anderson special market report for March the 22nd. It appears that the market is entering a correction phase here. We talked about this last week. The problem for us has been the number of new lows on the New York Stock Exchange have been a little bit higher than we would like. We had a sell-off yesterday, as everyone knows. You can see here with the Russell 2000, which is the small cap index. The Russell did break below the two moving averages, so we would say that this is a time for caution and a time for careful thinking. However, there is a really big opportunity developing out there that I want to talk about, and it has to do with e-commerce. We're seeing a lot of strength in the e-commerce companies. Let me share some statistics with you. In the most recent months, JCPenney has closed 138 stores. Radio Shack has closed 200 stores. The Limited is closing all 250 stores and is going to shut down its online site. Macy's is closing 130 stores, Kmart 102 stores, Sears 42 stores, H.H. Gregg 88 stores, American Apparel, all of its 110 stores. Abercrombie & Fitch is closing 60 stores, and a company called Wet Seal is closing all of its 171 stores. So what's going on here is e-commerce. The market is telling us to continue to stay interested in this area. Here's some graphs of some stocks that we are talking about here. We have Abercrombie & Fitch, as you can see here, really dropping. I mean, it's dropped from over $30 a share to under $11 a share. Here's a graph on JCPenney. You can see what's happening here. Dramatic drop off. Macy's, basically the same thing. Sears Holdings. Sears actually came out this morning and warned investors that they may no longer be a viable company. Now, here's a company that's very interesting, a company called Shopify. They are in the business of helping people develop e-commerce stores and set them up. They have a platform. You can see that the stock has been incredibly strong. Here's another company in the same business called Wix. Same concept. So basically this, market's entering a correction, but look for strength, and the strength appears to be in e-commerce. Thank you very much. Call me if you have any questions.